Welcome back to Yacht Addiction. The yacht in front of us is an 80-foot Hatteras, first delivered in 2014. She's had a refit in 2019, and this yacht is listed for sale by Worth Avenue Yachts. Let's go ahead and get started with this tour. So stepping onto the back of the yacht, we'll make our way up to the aft deck or cockpit. You can see you have seating around this high gloss table. There are some small side access doors on either side. And this yacht actually gets some extra beam interior space because there are no side decks. You can see the other side access door here. And then these stairs lead up to the upper deck. But first we're going to tour the inside. So you have these beautiful rounded glass doors. And if we push this button, we'll make our way inside. So this yacht is full of some beautiful high gloss wood. You have a really good sized seating area here. The TV's up on the wall, but I also really like this drop down bar space. You have a couple of chairs. Then if you look over here, there's actually a step down onto some tile floor. Then you can see your refrigerators, and you have a little sink. So drinks can be served right from this area. Moving a little bit forward, you'll see the formal dining area. And I also really like the details in the ceiling. And you'll see that over the dining area and the main living area. Now this yacht features 4 staterooms and can sleep up to 9 guests. You have a little day head right here. And if we take a couple of steps down, more than a couple, you know what I mean, we will find all of the guest cabins. So fully forward, you have this double bed, little cedar lined closet, and the ensuite. There is another guest room right here, and this has a double bed, but it also has a single bunk above. And its own ensuite. You have your full-size washer and dryer. Then you have another cabin. Very similar to the others. That leaves us with only the master cabin left. And she's back in the midship. Take a couple of steps down this time. You can see your king bed. All this built-in storage. Another cedar lined closet and safe. And then here is the ensuite. You have a sink. There's your toilet. Let's take a little trip. We're now in the shower. Let's go out the other side to your other toilet. And your other sink. Then you have another closet on this side. And more of that built-in storage across the sides. So those are all of the guest cabins on this yacht. If we make our way to the other side, you'll step into your open concept kitchen. You can see you have a wine fridge, full-size fridge and freezer, and then full-size appliances. So you have your oven, cooktop, microwave, and a dishwasher, as well as a double sink. You have a side access door on both sides of this kitchen. You also have a little dining space. Now if we open up the side access door, this will grant us access to the bow. You can see all your anchor chain and also all your washdown connections. So we'll secure that behind us. And now if we head up these stairs, this will lead us to the upper deck. You can see you have 3 helm chairs up here, then all of the controls and monitoring systems on the boat. You have some seating areas sprinkled all throughout this deck. There's another bar over here. So you have an ice maker and fridge. And then it's very nice to see on a boat this size, you do have a hot tub under here. More places to sit and hang out. And then on this aft deck, currently they have some loungers laid out, but this is fully customizable. You do have your crane right here, so this is where you would store some jet skis or a tender. So if we head down these stairs, that'll bring us back to the aft deck. So down these stairs, you will find the crew area and the engine room. So there's a fridge and microwave in the staircase. And then one thing you'll see on Hatteras Yachts, they always put really nice materials even in the crew quarters. So you'll see you have 2 bunks in here. The captain's cabin is right here. You have a larger bed in here with a little closet. And then they share this crew head. You have another washer dryer. And then this transom door leads us back to the swim platform. Last but not least, we have the engines. So stepping inside this engine room, you'll see the twin Cat C32 engines. These are 1,600 horsepower each, giving you about a top speed of 24 knots, cruising at 18 knots, and over 1,000 miles of range depending on your cruising speed. You have your Cummins Onan generator back there, and the second generator is over here. We'll do one more little walkthrough. And I think we'll finish the tour right in here. If you enjoyed this yacht tour, Please remember to like the video, it helps me out more than you could ever know, and also comment down below if you had a particular part of this boat that you really enjoyed. Thank you to Worth Avenue Yachts for setting up the tour. This listing will be linked down in the description if you want to see it in more detail. Until next time.